Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Vina Putri Handayani, the student of English Language Education Department, 7th semester from Islamic State University of Sunan Ampel, Surabaya. On this occasion, I want to present the result of my paper in an event of International Conference on English Language Teaching, or the 4th ICONEL of 2024. So, before any further ado, let's move to the presentation. Here, the title of my paper, Enhancing English Speaking Skill in Accounting Student Through Project-Based Learning or PGBL at SMK YPM 5 Sukodono. The first part is background or introduction. The Indonesian curriculum mandates English teaching in schools, including vocational high schools or SMK under the Merdeka curriculum. However, students often struggle with poor in English speaking skill because of the lack of motivation in English learning. Project Ping or PGBL offers a solution by engaging students in collaborative projects that demand communication, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. This research focused on improving accounting students' speaking skills through in-class presentation using PGBL, aiming to enhance pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and fluency. Next research question. In my study, I only have one research question. How does the implementation of project-based learning or PGBL through in-class presentation improve the student speaking skills? Include pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and fluency of accounting student at SMK YPM 5 Sukodono. Next, research method. In my research, I used the Classroom Action Research or CAR method to improve English speaking skill among 35 accounting students of SMK YPM 5 Sukodono. This research uses the CAR method, which has 2 cycles, which per cycle contain planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. The cycle 1 focused on initial conversation involved reviewing material using mind maps, aiming to enhance student memory recall. And the cycle 2 focused on presentation project focusing on content knowledge. Both of the cycles used procedure text material as the project topic. Next, finding. The results showed a significant improvement in student English speaking skills from cycle 1 to cycle 2, with an average score increase of 5.5%. Both teacher and student performance significantly impacted the student final test results. The project-based learning or PGBL method was an effective way to help students improve their English speaking skills. It is suggested that students should be more creative and active in expressing their ideas and play with their imagination to think about authentic material. Next, we move to discussion. This research aimed to improve English speaking skill in 11th grade accounting students through mind map projects and presentation based on procedure text. There are 3 key results from my study. The first one is there is improvement in speaking skills. It means that student English speaking scores improved by 5.5% from pre-research or cycle 1 to cycle 2. This condition showing clear progress of English speaking skill from accounting student. And the second one, the result from cycle performance. The cycle 1 shows average score was 70.9. And the cycle 2 shows average score increased to 74.8. And the last result from the effectiveness of PGBL. PGBL helps students become more confident and fluent in English by encouraging creativity, active participation, and collaboration with their friends. And the last part is conclusion. From my study, the conclusion is the PGBL method, a learning model involving group projects, has improved student English speaking skill. This innovative approach, particularly in Cycle 1 and Cycle 2 of CAR method, allows students to express their opinions and support each other during learning. The PGBL method enhances student cognitive learning by providing fun activities, allowing them to think, correct, and support peers. This method not only enhances student fluency, confidence, and enthusiasm in English speaking skill, but also boosts their motivation learning to practice and be active speakers in every activity in learning. So, yeah, that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.